most often, money is written as whole dollars and hundredths of dollars. And so we want to remember that a whole dollar and hundredths of dollars is written in a decimal form. $1 is written then as 1.00. So one whole dollar could also be read as $1 and 0 hundredths. 1 cent, since 1 cent is equal to 1/100th of a dollar, 1 cent equals 0.01, which denotes 1/100th dollars. So in our case of this problem, instead of writing $6 totally separate from the 37 cents and $2 separate from the 65 cents, we can bring them together and write them as a decimal with whole dollar amounts and hundredths for the cents. So $6.37 would be written like this: $, and then 6 for our whole dollar amount, and then the decimal to denote that now we're going into cents, and the 37 cents or 37 hundredths of a dollar would be written here, 0.37. And then we want to subtract $, again, $2 and 65 cents goes right here after the decimal point. And so now we have these lined up with the decimal points lined up, and we go about subtracting this like we would subtract a decimal problem and borrowing where we need to. So working from right to left, I would do 7 minus 5, or 5 away from 7 is 2. And then 3 minus 6, I need to borrow 1 here from this 6 and make it 13. And when I borrow here, I need to make sure I take note of that. So 13 minus 6 is 7. And then I line my decimals up, so I need to make sure I have a decimal here in my answer. And since I borrowed 1 from this 6, I noted that it was a 5 now. And I do 5 minus 2 is 3. I want to make sure that I put my $sign in front to denote that I'm working with money and make sure that I know that my answer is in money. And it's $3.72, which is the same answer we got when we split the problem up and worked with our whole dollar amounts and our whole cent amounts. But this way is much more common way of working with money when adding or subtracting.